Hi, my name is Zygis, and a couple of days ago I was thinking about how I landed my first job. I think that it would be a really great idea to share some of that experience with you. So I'm going to share my story, how I got some of my jobs, and how you could do the same thing by following my steps or by avoiding my mistakes. So first things first, you need some kind of a portfolio. And you can do it on Vimeo, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can post your works on your own personal website. And all of those work really great. What I experienced myself is that building a portfolio on Instagram could be really helpful sometimes, because imagine you create a work, you post it on Instagram, and actor, agency, or anyone else who ordered your services will repost it, and many other people will probably see your brand because of that repost. So you're going to build your brand awareness, more people will see your work, and maybe you will get more orders. So what to do if you do not have a portfolio? Well, a really good solution is to work for free. So you simply find someone, write him or her, hey look, I'm a video editor, I'm a beginner, but I still have some experience and I would love to do some work for you for free in order to put that work in my portfolio. And you will be surprised on how many people will accept your offer and actually let you film their event or something else. But again, to make this process much faster, I would advise you to write to event managers, real estate agents, and startups and other people that need videos and have a strict budget. Because if you're a real estate agent and you need many videos, an editor comes to you and says that he's going to do everything for free, you will probably accept it. So you will basically have a bigger chance of getting a job if you write for people that actually need videos. So now that you know how to build a portfolio and where to build it, I'm going to talk about two different ways of working. So first one is going to be working online, and second one is going to be working with real-life clients in real sets, filming events, photo shoots, and so on. Let's start with freelance. Freelance is a really great way to make money online because it is quick and you probably will get a job if you try it. So how do you get into freelance? You basically go on freelance sites like Upwork or Fiverr. You create your profile, put your portfolio in, and you're all set. Now all you need to do is write proposals. And proposals are basically letters to various job offerings. So you select a job offer and you write your proposal about yourself, about your works, and about how you could help a client. And as a freelancer myself, I would definitely advise you to pay more attention to client needs than, for example, writing an essay about your experiences. Write more about how you could help him, how you could make his project better. And after that, write a couple of sentences about yourself, for example, how much experience you have and so on, because that shows your credibility and will probably impact client's decision. So you only need 20 to 40 proposals to land your first job. That is from my experience. And it usually takes around 10-15 minutes to write one good proposal, so you can basically write all 40 proposals in 2 days or even less. So definitely try freelance, because that could be a really great opportunity for you to get into video editing and building your business. So now that we went through freelancing, let's get more into real-life video editing, going on sets, dealing with real-life clients, and so on. First thing that you should try is talking to your relatives. And you may be surprised that some of your relatives have some kind of projects that need film editing and so on. And if you ask them, you might even land a job because they trust you and you know them. So you have a higher chance of getting a job offer, adding that to your portfolio. And also, if they post your job somewhere, you will get seen. I also mentioned brand awareness a lot, and this is really important because the more people know your brand, the more trust they will have in you and your services. And you can build brand awareness simply by having a business card. So if you go on a shoot and you get an opportunity to give someone your business card, just do it and be prepared. because giving all your contact information to someone that has interest in your work can really lead to a job offer. So now that you have a certain idea of how video editing and filmmaking works, you have your portfolio, you got your first client, you need to make sure, and this is really important, you need to make sure that you create an amazing result for the client, especially if that is your first client. So how do you actually deliver an amazing video and an amazing service? So basically being polite, delivering great results, and delivering ahead of the deadline. And those are one of the main things to make a client happy. If you achieve those, you will probably get an amazing review from a client either online or face-to-face, and he will probably tell someone else about you and you will get new clients. So making top-notch work is really important. After listening to all this information, you should have a better picture of what is video editing, how to land jobs, how to stay popular in this business. So knowing our current situation that we cannot go outside, I would definitely advise you to try freelance. Upwork, Fiverr are great pages to start on. So basically register on them, put your portfolio and other things, and you will be amazed on how fast you can actually land a job and earn your first money as a videographer. So simply sit down to your computer and try it, and I wish you good luck while doing that. And now I am going away and I look forward to the new video. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Goodbye.